visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the rest of the reading or konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Your first card is the Eight of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the World card. Ito yung pagkakaroon ng communication from the person who's really far from us. So when we say far from us, it can be that this person is nasa ibang, it could be nasa province, ikaw nandito sa city, or siya yung nasa city, ikaw yung nasa province, or nasa ibang lugar, no? Nasa ibang bansa. Meron na ditong parang separation anxiety, no? Na I'm so, parang sobra kong namimiss itong person na ito. And fortunately, sa tagal ng panahon na hindi namin nakapag-usap, eto na, no? Dumating yung time na we have the chance of having a conversation again. The Queen of Wands and the Nine of Wands. Marami kang kwento, marami kang parang baon na gusto kong sabihin dito kay person, which is medyo excited din marinig si person. Nagkaroon man kayo dito ng separation or hindi. Medyo matagal din talaga yung hindi nyo pag-uusap. Ganun naman talaga, hindi naman porket hindi kayo nag-usap, meron agad separation, no? Yun nga lang, medyo may paglalambing na bakit ngayon ka lang tumawag, no? Ang tagal-tagal na nga kitang inaantay. With the Wheel of Fortune and the Eight of Cups. For a few numbers of you, baka kasi medyo nawala yung love, yung romance dito sa connection na ito. Medyo hindi rin sabihin nating nag-work, no? Ang relationship bago yata ito umalis or up until now. Pero hindi pa rin naman nawawala yung connection. Connection is still there. With the Wheel of Fortune, parang mas inuna yata nito yung sarili niya, no? But not in a very selfish way. Inuna ko muna yung sarili ko, nabigyan yung chance ng sarili ko na mas magandang buhay by working somewhere, no? Siguro, parang sinabi niya, mag-a-abroad muna ako, no? Or pupunta ako sa city to look for a greener pasture kasi dito sa province is hindi ganon, no? Kalaki ang kinikita. With the Eight of Cups clarified with the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Swords. Parang meron din ditong intentional na nagtago. Tinago niya yung sarili niya, hindi siya nagpakita. Probably meron ditong nag-block. Ngayon lang in-unblock, no? Ang communication ninyo, kaya nagkaroon ng challenges. So, meron din ditong na-surprise, no? Uy, kala ko totally naka-unblock na ako. Akala ko hindi na ako mabibigyan ng chance na to see this person or to have a conversation with this person. So parang ang saya-saya naman 'no ng puso ko dahil of course nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon kami ng conversation with the Emperor, the Page of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. I feel like medyo ngayon sure na siya 'no ng pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-connect sa'yo. I feel like before, pwede natin sabihin parang naki-ride lang siya sa connection kasi may gusto ka 'no. Kumbaga, sige, dahil may gusto ka sasakyan ko 'yan 'no. However, nung nandoon na siya in separation kasi parang feeling niya hindi naman 'to magwo-work, doon niya parang unti-unting napansin na there's something wrong. I'm also missing the person 'no. Siguro nagkaroon din ito ng mga denial 'no, at first, hindi ko naman siya gusto. Pero eto na nga, bakit nami-miss ko siya? Bakit, hinahanap-hanap ko rin? So, siguro tinest niya yung sarili niya. Hindi kakayanin ko 'to 'no, kakayanin kong hindi siya nakikita kasi nga naniniwala siya sa sarili niya na hindi ito yung relationship para sa kanya. But then again, he found himself or parang he proven himself wrong. So, hindi talaga kaya, eh. Meron talagang longing 'no, meron siyang longing dito sa relationship, may longing siya para, um, kailangan meron pa rin kayong connection with the Judgment and the Seven of Wands. I feel like this is your person's, parang nag-strategize dito si person, para makabalik sa relationship or sa connection ninyo. Puwedeng the Judgment kasi nagkaroon din siya ng chance to, explore, either explore other people, explore other, opportunities romantically wise. Na-try niya muna doon and then sabi niya hindi talaga siya nagki-click, hindi siya para sa'kin, hindi ito yung hinahanap ng puso ko. Puwedeng I wanted, the third party at first, pero habang tumatagal, parang my heart is shouting, your name. And I truly wanted to return and check if I have, the opportunity to rekindle the love with you. So yan, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, I want you to know that this is, kung kayo nakaka-resonate rather, kayo mag-comment sa ating comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And let's see, these, lalabas ang zodiac sign nyo if not yung placement ng inyong chart or zodiac sign nila or placement ng kanilang chart. Kung alam nyo. Leo, Libra, I'm seeing Gemini, Sagittarius, Aries, Scorpio, Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, Libra is here. Scorpio. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want